is 11:19 and Lara and I decided to have a midnight snack, but we can't wait until 12, so we get up and we're having a snack. Pancit Canton. Where's the Pancit Canton, guys? Yeah. Oh. Philippine noodles. So I'm waiting to the water to be boiled. So that's it. Wait, guys. Where's the nurse?
Huh? Mama! Look at
Come on. Lara, I see it. She's woke up. Still woke up.
Tapos dito mamam dito malit na na teach mama alit na ana titlaga na
Yes. Need a strainer.
Mama.
I'm still waiting. Are you done? Lara is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Bato. Bato. Gina. I think it's boiled already.
Bye-bye.
It's it.
Mama. Mama. Baba. Dogan na kanina dago. Piti. Nay. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hi. Mama, tigod lang na. Alang na, mama. Alang. Alang na ko alang. Hindi na laganang.
Alam din na.
Ito lang alang ay. Ito lang alang. Kilolo na alang. Kilaw.
Alam din na siya say.
Dili na lang alang. Dili. Alang na, mama. Hi. Taga.
Sit down na dito ka. Ikaw na.
Mama.
We're done.
Yan.
Pancit Canton.
Taton. Taga. Naalalang nililian alalang. Duwan. lang ba? Diba? Ngalang na diwan ba? Diba diwan ba?
Mayam ba mo eh? It's okay kagting.
Hoy.
This way, put this one. Mama ra.
Tada! Uy, ako. Tada. Tag namay.
Eat.
Eat. Tato ba, ma?
Eat na nang imo.
Tato ba?
Eat na na.
Tato.
Eat na eat.
Pitang, ma.
It's spicy, guys.
Batiloy.
Eat na.
Ha?
Limong pan ang kana.
Alay na. Utang laga. Wow naman. Kami.
Have a good night, guys. We'll eat first. Hi guys, we are here now in bed and we're heading to sleep. And by the way, guys, I'm the only one who eat the Pancit Canton because it's hot and spicy the flavor. So Laura don't like to eat that one. So yeah, I'm the only one who eat. Also her bread. So that's it for tonight, guys. And Laura is drinking her milk. Say bye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Good night. So that's it for tonight, guys. And I would like to say thank you everyone for supporting my vlog, for still continuing to support my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing also. For those who haven't yet to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Norla Vlogs, and please click the notification bell button and so you'll be updated for my next vlog. And thank you everyone. Thank you subscribers for continuing my supporting this channel, my channel with Laura. And good night. Good night everyone and have a blessed night. Bye bye. See you to my next vlog. Good night.
Yala, yala.